Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. I hope this is doing its movie magic here. I am the Nervous Mechanic. Welcome back for another video. Like usual, like and subscribe if you want. It helps to me to not be broke since I'm not great at doing these. And check out my other videos. Today we're doing kind of a short one. I gotta go to work, so we're doing something kind of fun that I've wanted to do for a while. A lot of people have done videos like this, but I wanted to for a while. Kind of a science thing since I'm kind of into that. Basically, it's one of these $5, if you can see that, $5 smoke alarms. And I've been super interested. Like, I like the science behind using nuclear elements in stuff like this for, detect basically if there's a fire going on. And they use the element. I'm probably going to be at kill for this, but I think it's Americium or Americium or something to that effect, 241, and they only use what it says is 0.9 microcuries of this particular element, which is radioactive, but it's, I guess, in such a small amount that it won't make a difference in terms of your health. You probably don't want to get a ton like what young Sheldon Cooper did in Young Sheldon and build your own fusion reactor in your garage for your community if they are nice to you. Granted, that's a great idea. But you might get people coming to your house. So we're going to take and open this guy up and just do kind of a quick video. Probably going to have to break it open, but we're going to see how easy it is and check this thing out. I bought this from Home Depot for about $5. It's a small one, and I've already taken the battery out of it, so it comes with one. But yeah, I wish I could say these names better. I'm not great with element names, but yeah. Americium. I think it's Americium. I think Americium. That sounds right. Anyway, so yeah, let's get started and check this out.
Gotta relax.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Human music. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.